In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can animate a text on InVideo Studio. So let's say you are editing a video and you want to add a text and you want to animate it. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So let's say I'm editing this video here, you can see on your screen, and I want to add a text. So you just tap on the text here and you tap on add heading or add subheading, or if you want it smaller, you can choose this. And already I have a style here which I use for my video editing. Let me tap on that here. So I have a style. So after tapping on that, it should show here. So this is a style. So let me change the font color to black so you guys can get it. So this is a style I use in most of my videos. So now I choose this here and I replace it with all the text here. So this is the text here. So now to animate this text here, what I need to do is select the text like this. Let me come here, select the text like this, and now let me choose animation. So on here, we have a lot of animations here. So you can see this is none, this is fade. So it's going to fade inside. So when you choose fade inside, you're going to select the number of seconds it should take. That's the duration. And then outside too, you can choose bounce. So now let me use bounce to left here. And now let me, move the duration to a longer one here. So now let me try playing the video and let me show you guys. Let me lower the volume of the video so it don't distract this video. Now let me try playing it for you guys to see. So you can see it blends inside and it's going to bounce. So good, bounce to the other side. So the animation, they have a lot of animations here. You're going to select them here. They have this groovy from app. So let me select groovy from app. Now let me come back here and let me show you guys how the groovy from app is going to work. So you see how it's working. So if you want to make it more slower, you just change the duration. If you want to make it shorter, you just change the duration too as well. So now you can animate a text in InVideo. So if you are new here, give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.